In today's video, I have 9 Halloween and fall themed games to play with your friends and family in person. I aimed for 10. One of them didn't work out, so you're getting 9. This is part 2. I have another fall and Halloween games video that is all in-person games. I will link it in the description box down below if you're looking for more. Actually, I have a whole playlist because I've been doing this YouTube thing for a couple of years now. Hi, I'm Shawn M Howell. Welcome to my channel. Let's get into game number 1. While you're here, please consider subscribing to my channel, giving it a big ol' thumbs up like, and sharing it with a friend or another teacher who you know is planning a fall or Halloween party and needs some in-person game ideas. Halloween tabletop Plinko. This one is a new favorite of my family, and I literally played this one for an hour with my 4-year-old. You can make this game difficult or easier depending on how many bottles you put on the table. Speaking of bottles, I found these really cute poison-themed bottles at Target, but I ordered them online. Yes, each bottle only cost me $1. Lining the sides of the table to prevent ping pong balls from bouncing off are foam pumpkins and foam ghosts that I bought at Walmart. Each pack, again, only 98 cents. And the buckets at the end of the table were also only $1. Super cheap to set this up. Number 2 is a treasure hunt using a bale of hay and small objects. You could use pumpkin seeds, you could use spider rings, or as you see here, I am using little candies that I found, like sprinkle candies in the baking goods section at, I think I got these either at Dollar Tree or Walmart for only $1. This is a great game for younger children. Have them search through the hay to find all of the objects. I love a fun candy corn game. What is your favorite, candy corn or those candy pumpkins or the candy apples? Let me know in the comment section down below. Set your timer for 1 minute. Yes, this is a minute to win it game, and you know I love those over on this channel. See how many you can pick up with just your straw by sucking in air and dropping it in your little cauldron or a bowl or a bucket. At the end of the 1 minute wins the game. Musical pumpkins. You'll need about 20 paper pumpkins. I found these super cute paper pumpkins on Amazon. I will leave them linked down below. They were very inexpensive and you got a lot. Write actions on each of the pumpkins. Place your pumpkins on the floor. Play some music. Instruct children to walk around the pumpkins or walk on the pumpkins. And when the music stops, they need to find a pumpkin and stand on it and do whatever action is on that pumpkin. Play it just like musical chairs. So this is an elimination game, but with challenges and actions. My kids love stickers, and I found these super cute Halloween stickers at my local Dollar Tree. Instruct children to put the stickers on their paper plate, and then you, the teacher or the parent, will ask children to point to a spider web or an owl. I could not resist picking up these skeleton hand salad spoons at Dollar Tree. You get 2 for $1. And yes, they're supposed to be for your leafy green spooky salad, but they're also great for relay races. Give every child either 1 or 2 of these salad tongs. Set out a bowl of apples and have a starting line and a finishing line and have them relay race carrying apples. You could also do this with mini pumpkins or those ball pit balls. The options for relay races with skeleton hands are endless. Halloween tic-tac-toe. Hop over to my website, download this free Halloween tic-tac-toe printable. Get some of those cheap spiders from Dollar Tree or Walmart. I only paid $1 for these spiders, and set up little mini tic-tac-toe stations with your kids. You could also use spider rings, you could use candy corn, whatever Halloween spooky theme you like for Halloween tic-tac-toe. Every year, Dollar Tree puts out these cheap plastic skeletons, and they're great for a scavenger hunt. Just pop the pieces off. They're easy to pop off all the limbs and the arms and the head and hide them around your classroom or in your living room like I did here at home, and instruct players to find all of the pieces of their skeleton to form their own skeleton. This would be great for a Halloween party if you hid multiple pieces, because these skeletons do come in a couple of colors, and you could write the child's name on every piece, and they have to find all of the pieces that match, sort of like a puzzle in the end. Mini pumpkin toss, but we're not using pumpkins here. No, we're using orange craft pom-poms and a muffin tin. I lined my muffin tin with paper muffin cups because it's an old muffin tin, so it's not very pretty. Toss the pom-poms into the muffin tin. Whoever gets a pom-pom in every single muffin cup first wins the game. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video. Happy Halloween, happy fall, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!